Hello students. Now today we discuss the second exercise of definite integral. They have no any particular condition. In this exercise we generalize the integrate the function and put the lower and upper limit to get the required result. Now question number first, integral I equal to 0 1 2 x upon x square plus 1 dx. This is a definite integral. In this indefinite integral, the numerator है x dx and the denominator x square plus 1. If we substitute the value of denominator to get the numerator as well, so put x square plus 1 equal to t. If you substitute any parametric function, then their limit are also changed according to the substitution. Two x dx equal to dt and x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Limit of the function limit of the function limit of the function 0 to 1 0 to 1 0 to 1. If we put 0 at the place of x, if x tending to 0, t tending to 1 and x tending to 1, t tending to 2, the value of limit changed according to this. So therefore the new limit 1 to 1 upon t 1 by 2 dt. One upon 2 1 to 1 by t dt. The integration of 1 by t as the log t, integration of 1 by t as log t, so 1 by 2 log t to 1 and 1 by 2 log 2 minus log 1. So therefore 1 upon 2 log 2 minus 0 and equal to 1 by 2 log 2. 1 by 2 log 2 is the required result of given function. Clear? Next, second question. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 under root sin phi cos power phi phi d phi. देखो यहाँ पर साइन और कॉस दोनों फंक्शन दिए हुए हैं, साइन फंक्शन और कॉस फंक्शन। इसके आधार पर अगर हम कॉस वाले फंक्शन को साइन में चेंज कर दें, क्योंकि ये अंडर रूट में है, ये इसको चेंज करने में दिक्कत है, प्रॉब्लम आएगी, जबकि ये आसानी से चेंज हो जाएगा। तो कॉस वाले फंक्शन को चेंज करो, 0 to pi by 2 अंडर रूट साइन phi cos पावर 4 phi cos phi d phi। जीरो टू पाई बाय 2 साइन phi cos स्क्वायर phi होल स्क्वायर एंड cos phi d phi। इंटीग्रल 0 to pi by 2 अंडर रूट साइन phi 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर phi होल स्क्वायर cos phi d phi। अब आप क्वेश्चन देखें, अगर इस क्वेश्चन में साइन phi इक्वल टू टी ले लिया जाए और साइन phi इक्वल टू टी और इसे डिफरेंशिएट किया जाए तो cos phi d phi इक्वल टू dt, यानी cos phi d phi की वैल्यू लिख लेंगे dt और यहाँ साइन phi की जगह पर t लिख लेंगे। इसी के अकॉर्डिंग लिमिट भी चेंज होगी। अगर साइन 0 है तो t की वैल्यू 0 आएगी, साइन phi by 2 है, साइन पाई by 2 है तो t की वैल्यू 1 आएगी। तो अगली लिमिट क्या होगी, 0 to 1 अंडर रूट टी 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर dt और ये आपका हो जाएगा 0 to 1 अंडर रूट टी 1 प्लस टी पावर 4 माइनस 2t स्क्वायर dt। ये I इक्वल टू 0 to 1 t पावर 1 by 2 t पावर 9 by 2 minus 2t power 5 by 2 dt. Now separate and integrate the function. T power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 1 0. T power 11 by 2 11 by 2 1 0 minus 2 t power 7 by 2 7 by 2 1 0.
Okay.
1 0. Now put the value 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2 1 0 plus 2 by 11 t power 11 by 2 1 0 minus 4 by 7 t power 7 by 2 1 0. That's equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 4 by 7. That's equal to 231 154 plus 42 minus 132. That's equal to 64 upon 231. 64 upon 231. Clear? Now the next question. Integral of integral of 0 to 2 x under root x plus 2 dx x plus 2 dx. Put x plus 2 equal to t and dx equal to dt. So x is equal to t minus 2. According to that, if x tending to 0, t tending to 2 and x tending to 2, so t tending to 4. The limit change according to that 2 to 4 t minus 2 under root t dt and 2 to 4 t power 3 by 2 minus 2t power 1 by 2 dt. Now separating 2 to 4 e power 3 by 2 dt minus 2 integral 2 to 4 e power 1 by 2 dt. E power 5 by 2 5 by 2 4 2 minus 2 e power 3 by 2 3 by 2 4 2, that's equal to 2 by 5 4 power 5 by 2 minus 2 power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. Two by 5 4 power 5 by 2 4 power 5 by 2 4 2 square power 5 by 2 2 cancel 2 power 5 2 power 5 2 power 5 equal to 32 32 minus 2 power 5 by 2, it means 4 under root 2 4 under root 2 minus 4 by 3 2 power 3 8 minus 2 under root 3 64 by 5 minus 32 by 3 minus 8 root 2 by 5 plus 8 root 2 by 3. Now see 15 192 minus 160 plus 15 40 under root 2 minus 24 under root 2 32 upon 15 plus 16 under root 2 upon 15 16 upon 15 2 plus under root 2 and 16 under root 2 upon 15 under root 2 plus 1. This is the required result. Clear? Thank you.